Frequently asked questions with Cody.
Hey guys, Cody over here at Jaguar Power Sports. I wanted to give you some tips and show you how these fuel lines are properly connected. So if you come in closer, starting from the gas tank, we want to make sure this line is connected up here. Coming into the fuel filter in this direction, coming this way to your fuel on and off switch. Always make sure this is in the on position when running. Coming out and going back around into the carburetor right here. Sometimes from the factory, these are not installed and you just have to locate this little nipple right here and attach your fuel line. And it slips right over the top just like that. In addition, I want to show you guys these other hoses that you may have questions about. Starting with this one coming out the bottom of the carburetor, this is your overflow hose. This is meant to drain any excess gas in the carburetor out towards the bottom. Different style carburetors may have a small hose up here. Those are all for breathing and overflow hoses. Off the back of the motor here, sometimes this hose either will go to the breather or hang out the bottom. This is also a crankcase ventilation hose. Just to clear up any confusion if you guys have any questions.